What is going on, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel. I am 𝐂𝐇𝐈𝐑. If you're new here, welcome. Wagwan. As you can tell by the video title, we are about to do an install for Wowafrican.com, and I just want to show you first of all what I got in my package that you can get on the website, all the goodies and all the things that you will need for this install. So straight out of the package, I want to show you this wig. So this is their blunt cut ombre blonde wig. I got it in 12 inches. It is 250% density, and it is a drawstring cap. I love these caps because they fit every size head. It is adjustable, and it makes it so easy to wear your wigs glueless. Like 10 out of 10, whoever came up with this, good idea to put it on a wig cap, because it made so much of a difference when it comes to fitting. And it also has these detachable combs on the inside. Perfection. So this is a 9x6 HD lace wig, and as you can see, I am loving this ombre. It is so well done and so pure. It is so well done and so pretty. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna create some layers in this unit. No, you don't have to do all of this, but I was looking at the wig and I'm like, yeah, it's cute, but I feel like I want to do layers. I've been feeling layers on every unit that I wear. It's like I needed to frame my face. I need to give it some dimension, just that extra oomph. Like the wig is already pretty much done for you in terms of the pre-cut, the everything. Like the knots are already bleached. The lifespan of this wig is everything because of how silky and great the quality is. There's no shedding to this hair, well, until I cut it. When I cut it, obviously I'm gonna comb out like whatever hair fell on it. But I went to get layered done by a professional, and I watched her movements and I'm like, I can do this at home. So I'm like, you know what, we're gonna create some layers. I'm like trying to mimic what I saw, so you guys can watch it and try it at your own discretion because I'm not a professional cutter, but it came out great, so I'm like pretty pleased with myself. So I'm going to use this hot comb. Really looking at the wig, I didn't even need to use a hot comb because she was flat, but I can't help it. I still have to go in with the hot comb. Now we're going to use this 1.5 inch barrel curling iron. I'm going to leave the link to it. It's supposed to be my Amazon storefront. Like, I'm going to double check that so that you could purchase it. Love this curling iron. Oh my god, it is so good and it heats up so quickly. So this is what we're going to use to create our waves. So I don't want it to be tight. If you want it to be tight and you want your curls to hold longer, I would say do this and pin it up for about a couple of minutes after you curl it. Like pin that baby up and the curls will be intact. But I wanted a light wavy look, so I didn't even hold the iron too long on the hair, just a slight wave. But look how pretty it is so far. Now I wanted the front to be a bit shorter, so I'm making sure that both sides are even by putting them together and then doing a little bit more cut. Like I said, I'm not a professional, but I know how to do a thing or two. And then I'm going to go back in with a curling iron just to fix that front. And look at that curl. She is wavy. She's gorgeous. She is layered. Like this blunt cut is so pretty. Like, oh my gosh. And super lightweight. Even though it's 250% density, that sounds full. It is full, but it is lightweight, which I love. Like I love a full wig, but still give me the lightness on my head. So I just used some wax stick just to make sure that I don't have any flyaway, and then just doing the final touch up before I install this unit. Now I'm going to use some bronzing powder because I need the lace to match my complexion, and I also wanted to match my bronzer that I'm already wearing makeup with. So put that on there just to make sure that it's darkened, and then I'm going to go in with some edge control just to put my hair back. Like these cornrows are old, okay, and they're flying away, so I want to make sure that my hair is safely tucked away and slicked back for this install. If you're new here, I'm a lazy girl. I don't do the ball cap method. We keep it real simple for the beginners, okay? Even though we've been doing wigs for a moment, we still can't be bothered with the ball cap method. I just can't. It's too much work, and I need my wigs to be easy. Like I need it to be effortless, especially with the quality and everything. Like, yeah, I don't think I should be doing too much. So this is what the hair is looking like initially going on, and I'm just loving how wavy she's looking. She's giving boss babe, like, excuse me, too good. So what I want to do is, looking at the wig, I'm going to cut the lace a little bit more. I don't want it to look too uniform. I don't want the cut to look too perfect. So I'm going in and out, almost like there isn't a pattern to it, because once your lace cut has a pattern, it's going to show even more. So you want that lace to look like not lace. I'm going to go in some more with that bronzing powder, and I'm putting it on my parting space just to darken it so that it could match my makeup. Do you see how quickly that looks disguisable once I put the powder that is matching my skin on top of it? Oh my goodness, yes. And I refrained this time from doing edges. I'm like, not every wig requires some edges, and this wig did not require it. She's supposed to be simple yet elegant, with a blunt look but wavy. And yeah, this wig is giving me life. Love it. So I'm just gonna play around with it, because I mean, it's a bob. It doesn't matter what type of bob it is. A bob cut needs to be ruffled. She needs to be unkempt. She needs not to be perfect, but still perfect. And this blonde ombre hair is giving me just that. Let me know what you think about this unit down below. I'll leave all the details for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Comment down below. Let me interact with you. Let me know if you have any questions about the unit. I love y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe again, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys.